Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in iPhone 15. So if you want to add any widget, just hold the finger on the empty place on the screen and click on the plus. Now just choose the app from you want to add a widget like a Google Chrome and select the widget for you. After that, click on the add widget button and choose the place for it on your home screen. If you want to remove that, hold the finger and choose remove. If you want to make any folder, just hold the finger on any icon and drop onto another app. Now we have a new folder, so we can change the name here. If you want to remove the folder, just hold the finger on it and choose remove. And the next step, go to the settings and choose the home screen add app library. Now you can turn on the search icon on the home screen here and add new app icons to the home screen automatically. As you can see, now you have a search button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.